gorgeous fam, welcome back again to my channel. It's your girl here from Miss Breezy. Guys, I'm supposed to do this intro at home, but like I was in a haste to go to school. Or when school, the teacher called me I thought they asked me to call around 7 a.m, but when I went there they said they normally open by 8 a.m. so I've been sitting here since waiting for 8 a.m to like sharp, because I left the house very early in the morning. I thought they asked me to call 7 a.m. So right now I'm about to go back to the school. It's today I want to meet with the teacher, Owen's teacher. You know, he will be starting school this month, so I want to meet with Owen's teacher today. So I wasn't able to do this intro at home. I just said let me just do a sharp intro before I leave this place. I don't know if the background noise is going to be so bad, but I'm in an express road. Like, it's an express road, you see, so there are a lot of cars passing by. So guys, I'm about to go right now. It's 8 a.m right now. I'm about to go to the school, so I will see you guys later, okay? Maybe after I left the school, or maybe I'll get a clip in the school. So I'll see you guys later.
A few moments later.
So guys, I just left Owen's school right now, and they gave me a list of things that I'm going to be getting, things that he's going to be needing in the school. So right now I'm trying to go to the shopping mall to go and get the things, because I just want to buy it today. They are like starting school on the 14th of this month, and today is 7th, I mean 6th. Today is 6th, I think. So I'm going to the shopping mall now to go and get the things. Okay, I'll see you guys later. Hey guys, welcome back again. I'm back home. Yeah, I didn't go to the shopping mall anymore to buy Owen's things. You know, I told you guys I wanted to go to the shopping mall that morning to go and get Owen's things. Yeah, so the man I sent meat called me that he has brought the meat, and I told him I was not at home, because seriously I didn't even remember I sent somebody meat today. I sent someone meat because we don't have meat at home anymore. I wanted to cook yesterday, so we don't have meat at home. My goat meat got finished, so right now I ordered for cow meat yesterday, I mean 3 days ago. Yeah, the man said he was going to bring the meat today, so I didn't even remember I sent someone I didn't even remember that I sent for meat. Anyway, when he called me that he's around my area, that he has brought the meat, I need to come back home immediately, because if the meat stay long in his car, the meat might get spoiled, of which I don't want that. Of course, I spent a lot of money on this, so I wouldn't want it to get spoiled. So I just have to like change my direction and come back home. So right now I'm very hungry. I haven't eaten since morning. I think it's almost 1 p.m now, so I want to look for something quickly to eat. Yeah, I have jollof rice at home. Maybe that is what I'll be eating. So guys, I'll see you guys later, okay? I'll see you guys after eating. Guys, come and join me. I want to go and eat right now. I'm going to be eating jollof rice. Yeah. If you know me, you know how much I love jollof rice. I don't know why, I just love jollof rice. When sleeping now, this is the best time I would have sleep, but I can't do that because I don't want this meat to get spoiled. So right now I just want to I want to cut everything and package them and put inside freezer the way I'm going to be using it to cook. If I want to cook, I'll just remove from it, then melt it, use it to cook. That is how I normally store my meat, both my goat meat. I've shown that in my video before, how I store my goat meat. That's the same way I store my cow meat or any other meat. I just put it, like I order different type of meat like liver, shaki, gbogbo. So I'm going to cut from this, cut from this, cut from this, then put them in one cellophane. Anytime I want to cook, I'll bring it out, use it to cook, just like that. So I just quickly want to cut everything. The meat is very many, guys. Is this bag, like 2 of it. No time for talking. This fuku I ordered for, I think 2 kilos. This 2 kilos small.
There's a place in my heart where you live.
So Yeah, I told him to buy the black and the white one. You know, there is white one. This black one, oh my goodness, it's so nice. Oh. Don't underestimate this black shark.
Thunder, I can't make you go away, can't get you out of my brain tonight. And I care more for you than you do for me. That's just how it's always gonna be.
Okay, this is our body. It's very nice. If you know our body, let me know in the comment section. Our body is so perfect in stew. Hey, if you use our body for stew or use it for, in fact, our body is good in everything, not only stew, but I like it most in stew. It's so nice. So this is the white shaki. Yeah, this is the white shaki I was telling them about. This is the white one and this is the black one. You see, this black one, and there's a lot of things to enjoy in this black one, but I still like it. I like the boats.
That's just how it's always gonna be. You don't realize, you don't even notice, you're taking advantage of my heart. And that might be fine, but not for me.
Okay, this is the fresh. Yeah, I also bought fresh meat. Fresh. This is the fresh. What?
You're mad when I'm not there. Well, honey, I'm sorry, but life ain't fair. And now you'll have to learn to live without me. And I care more for you than you do for me. That's just how it's always gonna be. You don't realize, you don't even notice, you're taking.
Yeah, this one they normally put it for free. If you buy it, they will dash you this. But it's so full of oil. But if you can remove the oil, there is meat inside. There is meat. But the oil, the work to remove the oil is just much. You see, all these are just oil. But I'm just going to try my best to do it.
Tell me, babe, you wanna leave this town? I'm saying, love her if you wanna go on down. It's done that we were made for bigger things.
Guys, you see what I was telling you? This one I've removed the oil. You see how small it is now, and this I have not removed the oil. You see how big this one is? This one is now small. After removing the oil, I removed a whole lot. Like, you see all this, they are oil. This is what I removed from this. You see, you can't eat all this oil. These are fat. This is all the meats. As you can see, it's very many though. Yeah, it's many. So this is all the meats. Right now I want to go and be arranging them inside my
Many
freezer.
hours later.
I got this this is it what is it called? Akiausa. What is it called in English? Why is it escaping me? What is it called in English? I beg, you people should look. I not feel crack my brain. Look, what is it called in English? This outside granuts. You guys know it, right? Yeah, they sell it dried. So you are the one that will go and soak it by yourself. if you like, but if you don't like, you can also eat it like that. But oh, when live here now, please. Normally I like to soak mine. So I want to use it to like make juice with dates. It's very good. I've used it to make juice before. I'm going to be blending the both together. It's so nice. It's been a while I had it. So I normally do this tiger nuts tiger nuts after I've cracked my brain to remember. Guys, here is the shell I took out from it. You can see this is the shell that came out from it. So I'm going to be throwing this away. And right now, and this is the milk that came out from it, very many. So right now I want to do it second time. You see, this is what came out from it the second time. If you have, let me say, if you have a chiffon cloth, it will do the perfect job for you. I used to have it, but I don't know where it is right now. I can't go and be looking for that.
Babe, what's up?
Welcome.
How about you? How are you doing?
I'm doing this dates and tiger nuts.
Frostbite called me.
I got from it, guys, this can and a cup. I also drank some though. So I have this gin. I'm going to be adding it a little bit and go and enjoy my drink. Enjoy my drink, guys. Cheers to good life. Ooh. So nice. It look exactly just like bellies. It's very nice, guys. So guys, I think I'm going to be ending the vlog here. Thank you all so much for watching this vlog, and please subscribe if you have not subscribed to this channel, and give this video a thumbs up. Okay, I'll see you all in my next video. Okay, for now, bye bye, stay blessed. I be this thing don't even they turn my head all. Stay blessed, guy. Bye.